I'm gonna be showing how I cleared my skin from this to this. Hey GB family, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you subscribe. On this side we do everything soft life, self-care, self-development, and we love to vlog. Hey guys, this is future me speaking from When I Have the Face Mask. I just have a little message for you guys. First of all, thanks for clicking on my video. Make sure you subscribe. Second of all, I'm going to turn this into a little series because if you saw how my skin was looking in the past, it was actually not giving anything. It was giving trash. It was giving tomato. So I just want to show people how I cleared my skin up myself. The GP and the doctors were prescribing me with rubbish that was burning my skin and making it worse. It was just, you're prescribing me with the medications that's not helping. Why did you go to uni? Is that what you went to uni for? It wasn't even like lectures were online and you're still giving me the wrong medication. I don't understand. Anyways, I had to take matters into my own hands. I'm going to be sharing with you guys DIY masks that I use, different skincare routines I've been through, different products I've been through, products that help to get rid of spots quickly, and products that are better for long term and more sustainable for your skin. Look out for Self-Care Sunday. If it's not a skincare based video, it'll still be us chilling because that's what we do on Sundays. Okay, that's it for now. This is going to be a DIY turmeric face mask, so we're doing it ourselves, doing it at home. I'm in the kitchen right now because that's where all the ingredients are. I'm going to show you the ingredients that we're going to use, and I'll let you guys know why we're using them throughout the video. They all bring something to the table. Guys, I'm going to be showing how I cleared my skin from this to this. Hopefully I can insert the pictures because if I don't, that's just gonna be awkward. Anyways, it was just not looking good. It was not looking good. But now my skin's very glowy. Like, this is even my skin on a bad day and it's not bad, you get? So I'm gonna show you guys how to do the face mask. I bought these things, these head wrap things, because I knew I was gonna have lace on my head when I did this tutorial, and the last thing I want is my lace to get stained. Turmeric stains, if you're doing this with your hands or you have nails, please get gloves. Turmeric stains, it can stain your clothes, it can stain your nails, it will stain your lace. Be careful. I'm gonna turn this into a little mini series of how I cleared up my skin, how I maintained it, and how I just keep it clear, how I keep it glowing, how I get rid of spots quickly and whatnot. I used to have outrageous acne. It was outrageous. Like, the GP would prescribe me stuff and it would just burn my skin and it will make it worse. So I had to take matters into my own hands. I got this from Amazon. I'm gonna link everything down below that I got. I didn't get much. Everything else can be purchased in Lidl. If you have a nice lace or a hair that you care about, please buy this tin. This is a nice little like spa set, I think, face mask set. Really cool, really cute. I'm gonna use it to make more DIY masks. There's a lot of stuff in here. Like, it has a lot of stuff in it that you guys will find useful, but for me right now, I'm gonna turn up with just about 1 or 2 things. So I don't know why am I struggling to open this? Is there a reason? This is cute. This is making me feel like making my own little lip scrub. I think I might, maybe I'll make something like that in this and show you guys. This has a lot of stuff. I'm actually surprised. I did not know it had all this stuff. I just wanted a bowl and a spoon and a spatula thing to spread it on my face. So it's got this cute bar mask thingy that goes on your head like this. I'm not going to use it because I bought a whole set for one, so I'll be using what I bought. It has this little bowl which also has DIY compressed mask. Say swear. That's cute. Wait, what? We'll try this out later, maybe another day, because right now this is not what we're here for. I'm going to be using this bowl. Very nice, very flexible. This is a baby girl pick. Yeah, I was about to use my spoons that I eat with. Nice cheeky little brush, a spreading thing. These things definitely have names. I just need to learn them. I'm just going to put a spatula. Also has a spray bottle as well. Another spatula thing. So here goes nothing. I'm going to use the pink one because I'm using pink things. Secure any pieces of hair backwards. If you have any lace, make sure all your lace is covered with this. So first, get Greek yogurt. So Greek yogurt is good for so many reasons. There's so many benefits. It locks in moisture into your skin. It's good for any inflammatory issues you have with your skin. It's good for acne. Also helps tone your skin and brighten it too. It's just nice and creamy, so the texture's nice. It makes it easier to mix and spread your face mask. Here, my lovely people, I have some honey. Maybe it's not the best honey in the game, but the benefits of honey, the list goes on, but some of them do include honey lightens dark marks and scars. If you have acne scars or hyperpigmentation, this is good stuff for you. It also has antibacterial properties, so that's great. Not only does lemon have vitamin C, it's an antioxidant, it has antifungal properties, and it reduces oil on your skin and also reduces inflammation. So cool. This is not biology. We're going to move on now. turmeric. Mine's from Tesco and Lidl, so you can get turmeric from anywhere literally. My friend's birthday's today, so I have a get ready with me to film, and I need to get ready for her birthday. So I'm just gonna speed this up now that I've went through all the benefits with you. Normally I do make it, leave it in the fridge for a week and cover it up with cling film. I'm just gonna show you the procedure, show you how I mix it. When I don't like the consistency, I add flour. Sometimes I add flour and sugar because adding sugar helps to exfoliate, because then it really scrubs into your skin. After you keep making the face mask, it'll get to the point where you can know like what you want to add less of or more of. Like sometimes I add more honey, sometimes I put less, sometimes I add more yogurt, sometimes I put less, depending on the texture. Why am I struggling? I'm gonna add 4 scoops of honey. My problem is everything in the mask is edible, so when I make it, I'm gonna taste it. Like I'm gonna taste everything apart from the turmeric. Don't do that, don't try that at home. You're silly if you try that one. But yeah, literally just gonna juice this in. I feel like adding the whole thing, but to be honest, I'm just gonna leave it. I've personally never made it without adding flour because I feel like flour is really good for changing the consistency. When it's moving like water, it'll just drip off your face, and you don't want turmeric going everywhere. Last thing you need. Flour helps it thicken up and it will just stick to your face like that, or even dry and start cracking on your face. And then we add the turmeric. How can I forget the main agent? I'm just being careful with this because I don't want to spill it on myself, so just gonna do this over the bowl. 5 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 4 tablespoons of honey, half a lemon, the bigger half, not the little one, and 2 tablespoons of turmeric. Get your pink stick, and this is what it's looking like. If you could see this right now, you would see that it's looking nasty. It's looking disgusting. Yeah, there's no way I'm gonna do this without flour. We need to add flour into the equation, but luckily flour is just to your own eye, to your own taste. You don't need to measure flour out. So look at this is what it's looking like. That's like water. We don't need water, we need face mask. I'm just gonna use some plain flour, which I have from, I believe, Lidl. I don't know if you can use self-raising flour. I feel like you can. Doesn't really make a difference because it's only for texture purposes, and I just wanted to use this because I don't need anything to rise, please. Because a sieve would be good. A sieve would be good because to prevent lumps, but I'm not doing that. Look at how the consistency has changed. So now it's less watery. I'm gonna still add some more flour as well because I want it to be a bit thicker. I know I'm doing no face no case right now, but this is like a good texture for me. I like this texture. I'd recommend this texture. This is not gonna fall off my face for no reason. You know what, this could last a whole week, definitely, even morning and night. This face mask does tend to feel cold. I'm even a bit scared to put on my face, but at the same time I'm excited. Yeah, just ignore what I said before. Add more flour because that was ridiculous. That's ridiculous. Why is it falling off my face? Please, there's no need for that. Yeah, I tend to normally make it thicker than this, definitely, because it never fell off my face like that before. But anyways, it's falling right back into the bowl. Because I'm pressed for time, I'm just gonna use it like this and make it thicker later. Because my friend's birthday is about to start. She's even sending emergency text. Please be on time, be on time. Natural bright under eye, pending, per. Oh yeah, one main benefit of this mask is that, how did I not say this earlier? It just makes your skin glow. It just makes your skin glow. People always say avoid your eyebrows and stuff. That's not me though. All of my skin needs to glow. So today is just a demonstration, so I'm not gonna put it everywhere. This was so nice, guys. Get this spa set thingy, face mask set thing from Amazon, because this was so nice. I used to put it on with like, I used to put my face mask things on with, what did I used to put on with? The back of a spoon? I think so. The back of the spoon, yeah. But this was good. I'm not left-handed, so this is, I'm struggling here. Then you leave it on, I'd say about 15 minutes to dry it up. And normally mine will dry up and start to kind of crackle, and then I'll rinse it off, but you don't need to leave it on that long. I would say 10 to 15 minutes. I would say 15 because for me, the more the merrier. There's times I leave it on for like over an hour. It's still good, so your skin still glows. But that's for me, I don't have problems with that. Turmeric can actually stain your skin, you know. So if you are fair in complexion, do a patch test on your skin. That should have probably been a disclaimer. Okay. So now it's on my face. I'm gonna leave it here for like 10-15 minutes. I don't know what I'm gonna do in the time being. Probably tidy up the mess from when I was making the mask. And now we wait for this thing to dry and rinse it off. Guys, when you're rinsing off your face, I like to start with warm water, then I use cold water whenever I'm finishing rinsing off my face from any type of skincare routine or face mask, because cold water helps to close your pores. Don't mind my lashes, they're wet. Don't say a thing about that. But I'm back just to show you guys my skin. I've moisturized now and look at the glow. Look at the glow. Look at the glow. This is what you call lashes and makeup face. No, sorry. This is what you call lashes and lip gloss face. What's this? Sorry guys, that's just some cream. Lashes and lip gloss face, okay?